Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scholar Ray Marketing. Today I want to go over how to create a custom palette in your assets. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go into Designs from our Command home screen. And from there we want to head into Import Design in the top right corner. Now once we're under Import Design, you're going to see that we have templates, images, projects, and assets available. So we want to create a custom palette for our assets. So we want to go ahead and select Assets. And you'll see that we're brought into the company assets where we can see a few different options for color palettes. Now these are provided by Keller Williams International. You have their main KWRI palette, their land, and then their luxury. If you are looking to brand yourself and create your own custom palette that you can use throughout your marketing to create your brand consistency, you want to change company assets over to My Assets. Now, once you are under My Assets, the top option is Colors and Fonts. As you can see, you have the main palette that's already here so that you can use that one as well. But let's say you wanted to create your own color palette. You can go ahead and do Add Palette. That will create a new blank one. You can add up to 6 colors to one palette. So if your brand does have more colors than 6, you'd want to just create more than one. You can rename these by clicking the 3 little dots. You can go ahead and just do whatever name you want. And then you can start adding your colors. Now, what's really great about this is you can go ahead and just click the plus sign. You can drag this around. You can find whatever color you're looking for. You also have the option to use the dropper. This is a great option if you are trying to pull in a color from a logo that you had created or another piece of marketing that you've previously used. You can go ahead and use that dropper and grab whatever color you'd like. Let's just go ahead and grab this one here just to make it easy. Now, when you're adding another color, you also can change the options down here. So there's 2 little arrows right here. If you click that, you can change how you search for a color. So you have, of course, the hex number that you can look by. You can, of course, look by the numbers here based on the colors. But that helps you really customize this and make sure you are finding the exact color you are looking for. Okay? Now you don't have to fill all 6 of those colors. So again, if you need multiple palettes to kind of use them together, you can do that and just add the additional colors. That is how you add a custom palette to your assets. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. Our email is support@scotlandroymarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.